Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error that I'm facing. This will be the error: module torch has no attribute from buffer in Google Colab. So that will be the error when I'm running that particular project, skin disease classifier, and that will be the code. In that we are importing the libraries from starting 6th line, and it will be a Flask-based web application. So it will identify those disease of skin and got that particular error. So let's change the torch version. We have to open the terminal here. Okay, first we have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. So we have to just click on the Windows key and then write edit the system environment variable. Just click on it. Then click on environment variable. Double click on the path and you can see like 3.8 and 3.8 script is already added. Okay, so just double click on that Python copy. Then click on OK and paste that location here. Enter. So you can see that Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop and script folder is also added. Okay, so just go back. Now Python is already installed. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to install the torch. Okay, so that just write pip install torch. So I have already installed that library. If you want to check that version, so just write pip show torch. Then you can check the version like 1.11.0 and the name is torch. So we have to install that particular library and with that particular versions got that particular error. So let them install the torch library with the 1.11 version. And after that, we have to run the project. Just write python space app.py, then enter. Then it will open the web page. And if you want that particular error, then just let me know in the comment section or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. You have to just click on that particular link with the control. Then it will open the web page. After that, you have to just click on the choose file and select any of the image. Just select this image, then click on upload and predict. It will identify disease with the confidence score, cause, and the precaution. So that particular error is resolved. And if you got that particular error, then just let me know in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. If you are searching any type of project ideas for engineering projects, then you can download that particular list. I will provide that link in the video description. Okay, so we are providing projects in multiple domain like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and many more. Okay, let's scroll down. So we have developed multiple projects. If you click on any of the link, just click on it. Then it will open the YouTube video and this video description about project, software and hardware requirement, contact us for more queries. This is a WhatsApp number, and you can check out related projects in different domain. Like if you click on the OpenCV projects, then click here. It will give the complete list of projects. Let's go back. Those are the projects which we have developed yet. And if you want to download a particular list, then I will provide the list link in the description. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.